Hey everyone, Gil here at graymanprepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about a canned food that comes from the sea, the chicken of the sea. Yep, talking about tuna. Now there are several types of tuna you can get, from the cheap stuff that's cheap, to the really good expensive albacore tuna. And if you can ever afford it, there's the bluefin tuna, which is very expensive. Unless you're a snob or a gourmet, I wouldn't worry about that. In fact, I've never actually seen that stuff in cans. I've seen a brand called bluefin, but they didn't have bluefin tuna in it. But tuna is very versatile. You can use it to making tuna fish sandwiches. You can use it adding it to your hamburger helper. Instead of making it a hamburger helper, make it a tuna helper. There's a lot of other dishes, pasta dishes and stuff that you can add tuna to make a nice meal. All right. So tuna is a versatile food, and some people are going to go, but it stinks. I find that most of the stuff that doesn't smell as palatable is the cheap stuff. The good, fancy albacore doesn't smell anything nearly as bad as the other stuff. In fact, it actually smells pretty good, I think. But the thing is, shop around, check it out. If you're venturing into tuna for the first time, how do I put this? Don't stock up a whole bunch at once. Get a can of the cheap stuff. Get a can of the medium price stuff. Get a can of the good stuff, and then the great white albacore. All right? Test them out. See which one you like See which one you like the best. Boy, I'm getting tongue-tied tonight. See which one you like best, and that should be the one that you stock. All right? So I'm going to put a video up here that you should find interesting. A playlist down here. Another video over here, and a link to my gardening homesteading channel, Cat Pat and Family Compound, right up here. All right? Stay safe, stay happy, and keep adding to your preps.